So now let's see how we can work around with the bit plane effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to go ahead and work around with that effect, first of all, I need to go ahead and import out an image that I want to apply the effect to. So I'm just going to go ahead right here and then let's say, for example, bring in this particular image right here. So once I go ahead and do that, in order to apply the bit plane effect to it, you need to go around onto the effects menu right here and then go around over here onto color transform right here. So once you go around onto color transform section right here, you can go ahead over here onto bit planes right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that everything jumbles up right here. But if I were to go ahead and change around the red right here, you can see that I can shift out the colors right here, just like this, to get a bit effect right here. So you can change around the red right here. So you can go ahead and change this out, and you can see that as I increase and decrease the values, all of them have the same values right here and the level of bit planes to it. If I were to go ahead and then disable the apply to all planes, then I can just go ahead and change out the red, and you can see that the red color only shifts out right there to get that effect. You can do the same with the green as well, and you can see that only the green plane right now shifts out just like this, as you can see. And then you can go ahead and change around the blues, as you can see, just like this as well, and that is what you have. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with the bit plane effect inside of Corel Draw. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.